Hello everybody and welcome to another tech tip. Let's say you have a really important document saved on your SharePoint, your server, or your team's cloud drive. You're confident your IT team has set up the right permissions so only certain people can see it. But sometimes standard security isn't enough. Today, identity is the new standard. Even with great permissions, if a device is left unlocked or a session is hijacked, your sensitive data could be at risk. Luckily, Microsoft allows you to put a dedicated password on any specific document to act as an extra layer of encryption that stays with the file no matter what. Setting this up is simple. First, open your document and go to the File tab in the top left corner. Next, click on Info and then Protect Document. Then select Encrypt with Password. Enter a strong password, ideally at least 14 characters, and then enter again to confirm. It's important to note that Microsoft cannot recover this password for you. If you lose it, the data is gone. So make sure to save this password somewhere secure. One final tip: if you are emailing this document, never send the password in the same email as the file. Send the document via email and send the password through a different channel like a text message or a phone call. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about password protecting your Word documents or anything else in the Microsoft 365 suite, please reach out. We'd be happy to help you stay secure. That's it for today's tech tip, and we'll see you on the next one.